from day one, me have this inspiration, about this place that, we can get it developed in the right way.
And this must be really nice where you set up your bridge on the river. Just to come down now. Where does this river start from?
You hop off the resort, you want to experience real Jamaica, this is where you come.
Yeah, because look on all the goat them.
Yeah,
Starting out going to Negril, me always say me want to meet somebody that, want me and him can do some work together. We can develop the place. Not to buy it.
Right.
Because I'm not selling it.
Kareem's Quest. Travel different from the rest. You're watching Kareem's Quest. It's always an adventure when you're watching Kareem's Quest.
Kareem's Quest is in the Roaring River community. Now, this is a very active community in Westmoreland, and they have one of the best attractions called Rasta Safari. Right? Now, here's where you can just come and just chill out. Wagwan Jaya.
Wagwan, blessings, welcome.
Yes, man, bless up, bless up.
Yeah, man.
All right, so here's say have the guys, them have things on sale where you can get, right?
Yeah, man, sure.
And then big fan them Ludi board. So, that's a go on. Gents, big up on yourself. All right, see? So, when you come here, so now, you have your shop where you can come and you get your signature drink too?
Yeah, man, you're Jamaican special. So, real authentic Jamaican rum and boom. That's what we give the guests.
I think so only when you work on construction site to get that.
No, man, we're trying to engage them in the culture, so we have
All
to
right,
give them the real thing.
So you even have somebody who is disabled who is here as well. And when you come, it's a lively area. Good. People have played them games, they enjoy themselves. And then you come and you support the shop. Good. All right, see we have the liquor one. So you come here, so you support the shop, you can get your peanut, you can get your drinks, you can get any liquor thing that you want. A real community vibe. This is what we call community tourism, and the people are very friendly here, very hospitable people. Now, Jaya, go and show me some more of the place. One of the things I noticed that you guys, have you got them that?
No, man, these goats belong to the people that live in the village.
Okay, then.
So
it's one with the village.
Yeah, man, everybody live as one here.
Yeah.
All the animals that you see are owned by persons living in the village, so, you know.
And this must be really nice where you set up your bridge on the river. Just to come down now. Where does this river start from?
All right, so this river starts from in the mountains. So up here we actually have two different sources.
Okay.
You have the Three Sisters Spring right out by the front. You will see that along the tour. And you have another source right up there in the mountains. We call up there Waterhead.
Ah, gotcha.
Right? Yeah, man, so that's where everything come from.
Okay, then. Wow, when the tourists them see this, them supposed to feel nice.
Yeah, man, for sure. Them love it, man.
Oh, man, look how strong that is. This water is also very cold, right?
Very, very cold. It depends on the time of the year as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And how long has this attraction been around?
All right, so next year is gonna be officially 10 years since we've been incorporated. But we started operations in late 2017.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's approximately 10 years. But you know, COVID came in between and things. So I would say we're operating for about 7 to 8 years now.
Okay, then. And when tourists come, what's the main thing that them like?
I think they like that the tour is authentic and it's really different from the resort.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that over there.
You hop off the resort, you want to experience real Jamaica, this is where you come.
Yeah, because look on all the goat them.
Yeah, man. Animals, plants.
Almond tree.
Yeah, man, everything.
And a bunch of bikes. Westmoreland is... Why do you think bikes are so popular in Westmoreland?
I think... I don't know, it's probably tradition.
Okay.
You know, it's one of the main modes of transportation.
From you were younger as a boy?
Yeah, from I was younger, always bikes. Always bikes.
Okay.
From the beginning of time, so...
Wow.
I guess the tradition continues, you know?
While on the trail, Jaya's father, who is affectionately called Marley, joined the conversation and took me to another key location on the property.
We're here with the founder, the foundation man for the place, right? Marley, Wagwan.
There, man, I go and hold them, see them where you see it, right on the river with it.
What gave the motivation to start this place? Come on, go and walk through.
You see, from day one, me have this inspiration, about this place that, we can get it developed in the right way. As an attraction where people come and go and love it. So, starting out going to Negril, Me always say me want to meet somebody that, you know, and me and him can do some work together. We can develop the place. Not to buy it.
Right.
Because I'm not selling it. So that was my main aim, driving to Negril 7 days a week. And
To sell the idea to
to
somebody.
sell the idea. So me
Get an investor.
bring back people come here from a long time to the cave, tour the village, and let them see the beauty of the thing. So I bring this man come here one day and the man just love off the place and say, all right, we can do some work together. We sure that me they look for me. Never they look for nobody to buy my property because it's not for sale.
Gotcha. Come
It's
over.
for development, for business.
I see you have even some guests right there, so
Yes.
them love it right there. Now, tell me how the building them stay now. I see one building over there, so which is the yellow building, which is the office.
That's the office. That's my gift shop.
Okay.
And that's the restroom.
The gift shop not done yet?
It's done, but we don't stack it up all the way.
Okay, you don't stack it up all the way?
Yes.
Yes, okay then, that's nice.
We have some stock, but we don't have all of it yet. But we're opening it soon.
Okay then.
Soon be open.
How regularly do you have to cut this grass?
We cut it every 2 weeks, you know, to keep it like this.
I
Keep
can
it on
see.
a level.
That was the original bathroom?
Yeah, that's the original toilet
Latrine?
outdoor to the first time one where you
Latrine.
use no water to deal with it. It's a natural mistake.
Yes man, natural mistake.
Yes.
So you set up your place now, you have an eating area right
Yeah,
here.
this
so.
is the eating area.
Okay then, and what's that pink building?
A big building is a room, you know.
Eh?
Yes.
So where you rent room out to?
No, them a business partner they stay.
Okay.
They stay on the property.
Oh, them stay on the property?
Yeah.
And this now is what?
This one me rented.
Eh?
Yeah. People come and want to stay, me just rent them.
So why not make people out the night camping?
We do night camping too, man.
Oh, you do
We
night?
do all of that.
Oh, you do
Tent,
night camping?
everything.
Yeah?
That's most basically where we start from, you know.
Eh?
Renting these little room, camping with tent out.
Yes, yes.
Used to be another room there, but me tear it down, but me go and fix it back.
Okay then.
So these 2 rooms now, me just make the father and the son occupy it. Yeah.
Nice.
So them can have a convenient while them here and we're building the thing. Yes.
Nice.
After learning about the history of the location, it was finally time to take a tour of the Roaring River community.
So Marley, we're going to some river water now, right?
Yeah.
This must be a big attraction for the tourists them,
Yeah, man.
don't it?
Yes, because we drive through the river here all the time.
Eh?
Yeah.
How high the water come up?
This is basically highest you get.
Okay, all right then. Cool, cool.
Yeah.
So this river, where does it start from?
Way up in the mountain.
Eh?
Yeah, we call it Dilgo.
Ah, have you ever been to the initial part of the river yet? Where it starts?
Yeah, we go up to the part where it starts right up on the hill foot up this.
Okay then. Where did you grow up?
Right in this village.
Eh?
Yeah, I was born and grow here.
Okay then. What is it known for in terms of producing crops and things?
Very good. It's as me tell you, it's a land where we bear a lot of different fruit, yams, a lot of different things. It's a farming here.
Okay.
Also, not only for just tourists.
Yeah.
It's farming also.
So when you were a little boy growing up, what you do yes upon like a Saturday when school now keep?
Run around and climb the mango tree them and shake them and run around in the rain when the rain is falling.
Yeah.
We have a lot of fun and we build some little thing, some little boat.
Yeah.
And we then float along the river or on the road where the water is.
Okay. Okay then.
So we learn to build boat.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah,
You
man, the
know-
whole of them places are my playground. Right around the mountain. Right around the mountain. And we connect to our next village called Shrewsbury Lagoon,
Yeah.
which is a neighbor village.
Yeah.
So we let the tourists travel all around this side and experience everything to them.
Yes.
Explain everything to them.
True.
So they can get the full experience of what's going on in the countryside.
Yes. How happy do you feel the fact that you could see yourself develop this into what it is now?
We're very happy about it, you know. Talking about it from long time, years, like I've been talking about this for 20 years.
Wow.
Or over. That this is something that I want to do.
Yes.
Tourism, not really was thinking about the ATV back,
Yes.
but just the experience of the Rolling River Village,
Yes.
growing up and know that the band comes see tourists coming here.
Okay.
Band comes see tourists coming here. And me have 55 years.
Yeah.
When me check it day and night, me 110.
Yeah.
So me check it.
Yeah, yeah,
Day
yeah.
and night. So You know, it's just a drama about it.
Yes.
Come, I always tell the people them that.
This is a lovely experience. And then what I'm happy about is that you are somebody who come from the place here, right?
Yes, born and grown.
And you can see the place for it, you know, to be
Yeah,
what
me
it is.
feel the energy.
Yeah.
Growing up, me just feel the energy. Say this place is a real place. We have this development and have this nice attraction. So
Yeah.
people from all over the world can come and enjoy it
True.
and have fun.
True.
Yes.
And the tourists them appreciate it, them love it, don't it?
Tourists them love it, man. All of them, man. I meet a guy the other day saying come here 35 years now. And this is the best tour in there.
Wow.
The best one. Over 35 years. I may have people who come back and do it 10 times.
Yeah.
Every time he come to Jamaica, he do the tour.
Wow.
Because he's saying love it. And he cannot come to Jamaica and don't eat. And he come very often.
Yes,
Maybe 4 times for the year.
Wow. Wow. Like, there are so many cows there around this area. Is cattle farming popular?
Yes, it's a lot of cow. Lots of animals. Goat
Yes.
and cow. We were growing up in the village. This is what we didn't know about. Firstly, like having a few tourists coming, but cow and goat was our main farming
Yes.
growing up.
Okay.
Because I used to raise a lot of goat myself
Yeah.
and cow.
Okay.
Starting from my father days.
Yes.
I used to look about my father animals first
Yeah.
until I get my own.
Okay.
And then I decided I ain't gonna do no more cow. Leave it to somebody else.
Okay then.
I want to do this.
So this is your passion.
Yes.
I get you.
Yeah,
So,
this was my goal growing up.
so you were a farmer before you started doing this?
Yes, I do.
And that means that the land would have been in your family name for a long time.
Yes. I earned my property from like 17 years old.
Yeah.
From in my teen, you know?
Yeah.
17 years old.
Okay. You used to just work the land.
Yes. Plant yam,
Yeah.
a lot of vegetable,
Oh.
and raise animal. All of them places.
So you know them. This is how you born and grow.
Yes.
This is how you know like the back of your hand. They would have said.
Yeah, I know it like my back of me hand. Or my hand maker them.
Or your hand bigger.
Yeah.
So Marley, let me ask you this. The cow them not dangerous for have. Where them they out there so?
Alright, most of the cow them we keep them in a pen now, you know.
Yeah.
It's just a few on the outside and normally like sometimes they run them out to get feed.
Okay.
So but the owner always travel with them.
Okay.
Back and forth.
Because these are huge cows.
Yeah.
What I like about this
It's a part of the attraction also because the tourists like to take picture of the animals.
Yes. I get you. So it really feel like one.
Yes.
What next would you want to see develop in your space, in this Road River space?
And now, as far as this, where it is now, it's really on the top right now, you know, because it's the #1 in the Caribbean, you know.
Okay.
It's not only Jamaica alone.
Okay.
It's the #1 outdoor in the Caribbean.
Okay.
So the main thing we would need right now, coming to the community, is to get a better road
Yes.
for the vehicle, them,
Yes.
the driver, them, the Juta driver, the
Yes.
vehicle, and the Maxi,
Yes.
and the other company that come.
Yes.
Because we have other different companies that come, different from these main 3 companies.
Yeah, it's true.
But they are always complaining about the road because the road is bad. So, different from the government, the politician, would not like the tourist board step up, put a foot in it, and say we can get a better road out of the tourist funds.
True.
So it can be more comfortable to the driver, so we will get more people.
True.
Because a lot of drivers don't want to come in.
Yes. It's
Because it
true.
mash up in vehicle.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Don't want to come. Believe me. But if we get the road, this village overload.
Wow.
If we get the road, this village overload. Yeah.
And it create more employment opportunities because
Yes.
then you will end up employing more people, right?
Yeah, right now we have 55 people working
Really?
from the surrounding community.
Wow. 55 people.
Yes, working right now.
Yeah, so you see, if more people come, you can create more.
We can't go over our own, but a lot of drivers still don't want to come because the road condition. So that is one part. When you develop a community, you need good road so people can come.
True, I agree with that. And
This is a player field.
Oh, okay, that serve the community.
That serve the community.
With so much done in a day, I headed back to my villa in White House.
Now, when they say oceanfront property, this really means oceanfront. Like, we are literally looking out at the sea when you stand up here. And it's always a joy for Kareem's Quest to bring you to these exquisite places in Jamaica, because Jamaica has so much to offer. Now I'm in the community of White House. White House is a beautiful place to be. It's like Portland as well, you know, it's a really nice spot that you can be at. And this one is designed in a way for comfort and for a lot of families to can come here and just enjoy themselves. They have a lovely pool, and as you can see, there's a 4-bedroom house behind me. Now, I have good news for you. I've literally finished my ultimate tour guide of Jamaica. Now, it's a booklet that has multiple places in Jamaica that you can visit by parish, and you can plan your itinerary. And I also give you like travel agents that I know and I trust, as well as transporters, you know, people who can drive you around, so you can plan your itinerary with it. It's on sale. It's on my website, kareemsquest.com. All right, so let's continue with this now. Now, to be fair, some of this is still in construction. So, you know, this is a seating area, and this is a nice place to be, especially when the sun is setting, to just sit down here and have a good talk and look at the adjoining property. Look at how they laid out their property. So everybody put their own little tweak to it, but it's just as beautiful, and each of them just as beautiful. If you're having your event, you have your bar area out here that you can go at and just relax, right? So, you know, you can have multiple options in terms of just sitting down. Beautiful trees as well. You know, what is being in the Caribbean, being in Jamaica without seeing a lot of trees? And I love the fact that many of these owners, they do try to ensure that the original trees stay here, and they build around it. So it just gives you a nice feel in terms of relaxation, and it just gives you a very calming effect. And on the outskirts, they have their own bathrooms as well. So let's look and see. And a kitchen. Oh, so what I'm looking at is a kitchen. Let me see something. Okay, so you have a fully functional kitchen with an industrial burner on the inside, but it's closed. But there's an industrial burner. Let me show you. Let's see if we can show them. Let's show them what it is like. An industrial burner on the inside, right? Maybe you can see it, maybe you can't see it, but it's really nice. And you can relax in the pool. You have a seated area in the pool where you can just sit down, have your drinks, have some fun. It's usually very hot when you're out here. And for those of you who are trying to snorkel, I guess you can go snorkeling. You know what I mean? Westmoreland has some of the nicest seawater you will ever experience. I mean, I always tell people, go to Westmoreland, go to Portland and experience some of the nicest seawater ever. And then this is the area now that you can sit down and just relax. You sit down right here, so you relax. A lot of the things that places like these sell is really the view. All right, you come out here, you're supposed to be capitalizing on the view. So this is where you're going to be spending most of your time when you're at a place like this. And let me just do a quick little walk around so I can show you, you know, some of the property. So this is the walkway as well. So you don't, if you have guests coming, they don't even have to walk through the house. Now I'm going to be checking out the interior of this villa, which is called W, literally W. Inside is very spacious. I have seen the work of this developer already, and he likes to use a lot of open spaces. So you don't see a lot of walls in this person's developments, right? Here is a beautiful dining table seated for 4, and you can really relax, and you know, I mean, you have your AC that's right over, so it's keeping the entire place cool, as well as a ceiling fan. Now, I love the fact that they use white, because it adds even a more spacious feeling to the entire environment. And so these things is just simply W, right? Let me continue to show you. I think I can show you the master bedroom. Now here's another painting that many people go in love, right? It's done by Hopeton Cargill, and it was done in 2022, right? And it needs to be straightened, but it's probably so expensive, I don't want to touch it. Now, look at that chandelier. I mean, they do have nice chandeliers as well, and it's an elevated ceiling. And this is what the master bedroom is like. All right, so Karim's Quest is going to take you to the master bedroom. No, there are no doors, right? So this is the top area, right? His and hers, right there. Really cool. And this is now where you would have the bathroom, the toilet, and you have your rain shower head. So in here is really cool, designed nicely. And all the, what I should say now, all the fixtures are, complementary. They're not, overburdened in terms of they're taken away from the aesthetics of the place. They're done in a way that is more complementary to the place. Now, these are electric blinds. Now, Karim's Quest was trying to use the electric blinds, but for whatever reason, I don't know, I think he probably want battery, but it wasn't going up. So these are the electric blinds. And, if you just want to relax in here and just looking out, right? But let me see if I can still take you and show you what the view is from outside. All right, there we go. There we go. So let's check out the view from outside. So you're standing, you're going out here, so on the corridor, and you're look at, this is a nice balcony area to be at, right? It's just, again, it's the view. For me, I remember just interviewing Errol Anna in Portland, and he said about his place that's called Sea Cliff Hotel, which is a beautiful hotel. It's always about the view. So here it's the same thing. It's like it's always about the view. So just waking up in the morning, having your cup of coffee, seeing the view, seeing what the place looks like, it really is refreshing and breathtaking. Especially looking at the horizon. That's really nice. All right, so we're going to get back inside and we're going to look at another room. So Karim's Quest is making sure that I'm giving you all as many options as possible. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube page as yet, please do subscribe. I think only 20 or 13% of the people who watch my videos on YouTube subscribe. So please, we need that what? We need that 87%, and there's a mirror, a huge mirror that's right here. So we need that 87% to still come, all right? So this is the other room. Now, let's look at this huge bed frame. Now, some people might say, well, you know what? That's a huge bed frame, and I don't know if I like those type of bed frame. You know why I like this type of bed frame? Because it was done by a local. So you can look at the craftsmanship and you can tell that it's a local. And one of the things that I want when people are even developing these places, invest back into Jamaica. Because some people can just import everything. And when you import everything, the liquor man doesn't get anything from that. So when you see local work, just remember that this helped to send somebody to school. This put somebody food in somebody's pot. This actually reached the hands of a local craftsman in Jamaica. So I really like that. So this is the smaller of the two rooms, and this is just a nice relaxation spot. Again, it's always about the view. You're opening up and you're seeing that beautiful sea. So it's always about the view. It's always about, just relaxing and, your hard work. And we only live one life. And I always have to tell people this, like, even myself, I have to repeat it to myself, like, listen, you can't just be working hard every day. You have to be enjoying yourself at some point. All right? Make sure I lock back this. Good. It's locked back. Now, let me show you what the bathroom area is like. Let's go into the bathroom. Again, it's an open concept bathroom. So, yes, there's a door though, to open the bathroom, but there you have your toilet, and here you have your shower area. And you just basically walk into your shower. Now, I'm happy also that they made a seated area. So for the older people who might be using it, who can't stand up long in the shower, you can sit down and have a nice bath. The place is really kept clean. The colors are very limited, so, they have this silver and white, basically theme. And that's pretty much it in terms of just colors. Here's another room, but this room have some work being done on it, so I can't show you all of this room, all right? But what I can show you is the bathroom area for this room, which is very similar in mine. Good, real cool bathroom area. Let me go straight. Let me try and see how much I can carry. Because Karim's quest tries to show you as many places. This is the balcony. And this is more of a garden view that you're getting. And there's banana on the property. There is Scotch bonnet pepper on the property. There's coconut on the property, right? And a couple of them bearing right now. A couple of these fruit trees are actually bearing right now. And the adjoining properties are just as beautiful. So I did a video on one of the adjoining properties some time ago. It's a really nice place to be, all right? So, just being at the W, you get this kind of reclusive vibe to it and relaxation. Now, this property also has a small area that you can host events at. You can have a small gathering on this platform right here. Whether you're having a little reception or whatever it wants to be. I mean, the lawn area is quite spacious. All right, now this is the detached room that is here. Again, I can't show you much of this because someone was in this room before. So let me just give you a quick peek. This is what the peak of the room looks like, right? Very spacious. And then there's a bedroom, right? But I can't get to show you everywhere that is here. But nonetheless, I mean, it has a lot in terms of to offer in terms of spaciousness, all right? Now, there are pawpaw trees abound, right? And this is the lawn area for the property. And one of the views that I wanted to see, so I'll show you behind me, is what you're seeing when you are just entering the property, all right? So it's a beautiful place to be. I also did a property that's adjacent to this one that's called Sea Breeze Villa. That's also a very lovely villa that you can check out that video and just, in terms of if you want to come by, you're watching, different videos and episodes and you're planning to come to Jamaica and you bring your family and you don't want to go to a hotel because you want a more immersive and personal experience of Jamaica, it's always good to try these villas. And remember to go to my website, kareemsquest.com. You will see great places, great adventure spots, great Jamaican cultural stories, great entertainment stories as well. You know what I always say to you, if you're first here or if you're new here for the first time, I should say, you're always welcome to join the quest.